Steve, attorneys I spoke to today say they're getting calls from people who had charges dismissed or expunged 10 and 12 years ago, who just received a letter last week saying the state is suspending their license. It's creating confusion across the state. Hundreds of letters sent telling people they're losing their driver's licenses years after DUI charges were dismissed or expunged.
It's absolutely a mess, and how it first came to my attention is a client called me a couple of days ago who I represented in a case in 2004 on a DUI, and the DUI was dismissed, and he just got a letter saying that his license was going to be suspended starting in January.
Lawyers throughout Hattiesburg say they've gotten similar calls.
One in which they had never had a conviction and it said their license was going to be suspended. A second who had dismissed and expunged and saying his license was now reinstated, even though the driver's license number on the letter to him was not even a valid driver's license number.
All because of a computer error.
Sure enough, the Department of Public Safety's simply had a computer glitch.
Glitch or not, Reed says they're real letters from the Department of Public Safety that could cause real problems for drivers.
Yeah, they're absolutely legitimate letters from the Department of Public Safety, and if, at least as of right now, if the person who gets the letter doesn't take some action to be proactive, their license are going to be suspended when they shouldn't be.
The other big concern for both attorneys, how an expunged record could be involved in the first place.
So that would be a concern if you've had a charge that was supposedly expunged and now this is popping back up.
The file is actually supposed to be destroyed, the information deleted from the computer, etc. So evidently it hadn't been.
The Department of Public Safety released a statement today saying it determined there was an error with an automated process and is working with the contractor Morpho Trust USA to ensure the error has been corrected and to determine remedies needed to avoid this situation in the future. Anyone who received a letter dated between December 11th and 19th should call the Driver Records Division at the number on your screen. Steve.